We are still in a seller's market, but it is not the same red hot market where homes instantly sold the minute they hit the market with multiple offers and bidding wars. So in this market, the details and the strategy matter. There are 5 mistakes that you should avoid if you're planning to sell your home. The number 1 mistake is not decluttering or deep cleaning the home prior to putting it on the market. Number 2 mistake is not staging. Number 3 is not pricing it right, and that could either mean pricing too high or too low. The number 4 mistake is limiting the access for showings. And the number 5 mistake is hiring the wrong agent. You want to avoid choosing an agent who's either inexperienced, out of the area, or part-time. Make sure that the agent you select has a proven marketing plan and track record of selling homes in this type of market. If you have any questions about the selling process, or you want to find out what your home is worth, let us know. We've put together a home seller's guide as well with lots of information that you may find useful, and I'll make sure that we include a link so that you can get that. If you found this information useful, be sure to check out the other videos in our Selling with Shannon series. I'm Shannon with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty in Long Beach, California. Thanks for watching.